Hello friends, today we will revise some question answer from class 3. Let's start the revision of class 3. Hello friends, today we will revise some question answer for class 3 with paper style. Questions 1a. Tick, tick, write the correct answer. या tick, write the correct option. Okay. Now first is here who. First is here who was going to. First is here who was going to the village. Who was going to the village to get some bread. Here some bread. Here there are three options like a man, the man, B, the horse, C, the puppy. Here, according to the poem, the correct answer is man. The man was going to the village to get some bread. Second is here who was going to the village to get some hay. To get some hay. There are three options again in these questions as answer, like the man, B, the horse, C, the puppy. Here the correct answer is the horse. Third is here who was going to the village, to hillside to play and roll. Here there are three options as a answer, like the man, B, the horse, C, the puppy. Here the correct answer is the puppy. Okay. Now fourth number is here. The fourth number is here. Where did the mother tiger? Where did the mother tiger and her tiger cub live in the forest? Live in the forest. There are three options here: near a river, B, near a sea, and C, near a pond. Here the correct answer is near a river. Repeat again question number 4, my dear. Where did the mother tiger and her tiger cub live in the forest? Here the options are near a river, B, near a sea, C, near a pond. Here the correct answer is near a river. Fifth number, where did, what did the tiger cub catch one night? Here the options are a deer, B, a frog, C, a pig. The correct answer is option B. What did the tiger cub catch one night? Here the tiger cub catch a frog. Now question number 6. What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? Here the correct answer, here there are four options like sheep and goat, B, fish and frog, fish and frogs, C, here C is deer and horses, deer and pigs. What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? Here sheep and goat, B, fish and frog, C, deer and pigs. Here the correct answer is deer and pigs. Okay. Now 7 number. Now 7 number dash dash came close to the tiger cub when the little tiger cub chased the frog. Here the option are a small tiger, B a big tiger, C a baby tiger. Dash came close to the tiger cub when the little tiger cub chased the frog. Here the options are A small tiger, B a big tiger, C a baby tiger. Here the correct answer is a baby tiger. Now 8 number is here. 8 number is who brings letters for child's parents. Here the options are a policeman, B a postman, C a power man. Here the correct answer is a postman. The postman brings letters for child's parents. 9 number for whom the postman brings the letters. Here the option are child's brother, B for child's mother, C for child's parents. Here the correct answer is child's parents. Repeat again, my dear, these questions. For whom the postman bring the letters. Here A child's brother, B child's mother, C child's parents. Here the correct answer is child's parents. Now 10 number What did the baby do with the pages of books? Option A, read. B, tall. C, right. Here the correct answer is tore. The baby tore the pages of books. Now question number 1B. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Answer. First is here. Who brings donkey? Who brings donkeys to carry away the dirty clothes on their backs. BACKS, bags. The correct answer is the washerman. Second is here. The baby thinks that dash are real food. The correct answer is the baby thinks that the pebbles. Third number here. Who is a speaker of the poem Don't Tell. Here the correct answer is a young child. Fourth number here. How old was Meena? How old was Meena? The correct answer is Meena was 12 years old. Here the correct answer is 12 years. Fifth number here. Fifth number. How old was how old was Meena's brother? How old was Meena's brother? Here the answer is 4 years. Now sixth number is who is or which animal is the sheep of desert. Sheep of desert. Here the correct answer is the camel. The camel is the sheep of the desert. Now question number 2a. Question number 2a. Now question number 2a. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here first is dash is the king of the forest. Dash is the king of the forest. Here the answer is the lion. The lion is the king of the forest. Here second is whose dash feet are thick and padded. Here the answer is the camel's feet. The camel's feet are thick and padded. The feet of camels are thick and padded. Here third number is there are no rivers. There are no rivers or lakes in dash. The correct answer is in deserts. There are no rivers, no lakes in deserts. Now fourth number is here. At a time At a time, a camel can drink. A camel, a camel can camel can drink. At a time, a camel can drink dash dash bottles of bottles of water. Here the correct answer is 200. At a time, a camel can drink 200 bottles of water. Now, fifth number, a camel can store its food in its dash. Here the correct answer is in its home. In its home. Sixth number is here. Dash is here. Dash can walk. Dash can walk across the burning sand. The burning dash can walk across the burning sand very comfortably. Dash can walk across the burning sand very comfortably. Here the answer is a camel. A camel can walk across the burning sand very comfortably. Now question number 2C. Question number 2B. 2B. Question number 2B. Give the meaning of the following words. First is here hump. Hump, that means raised part of the camel on its back, that is called hump. Second is here blinking. BLINKING. Blinking, that means here moving the eyes. Chance. Third number is chance. Chance, that means opportunity. 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 Fourth number here is giant. Here giant. That means very big. Giant, that means very big. Now, fifth number is here. Funny. Funny, that means very interesting. Very interesting. Now, question number 2C. Write true or false. Write true or false. Here, first is the baby laughs when her brother scold her. That answer is true. That answer is true. Second is here. The child gets letters from the postman. The answer is false. Third number is here. The camel store water in its hump. That answer is false. That answer is false. Now question number 2D. Match the following. Match the following. You write down the correct answer directly. Like this here, 1 lion. That here, walk. The lion walk. Second is here, squirrel. Here, squirrels. That is leap. Fourth number, flies. Here, the flies, that means monkey, that crawl. Here. The worms here, worms that dive. DIVE. Sixth number here, monkeys. Here worms is wiggle. Worm is wiggles. Here the sail, SELS, sails that dive. DIVE. 7 number is here, monkeys. That is swings. 8 number, birds. The birds are flying. The birds are fly or also hope. Also hope. Okay. Lion walk, squirrel leap, squirrel leap, flies crawl, the worm wiggle, the seal dive, monkey swings, birds fly. Okay, my dear. Now we will. Okay, my dear. Okay, my dear. I hope that you have learned these questions, question number 1 and question number 2 very well, and how to write down this question answer in your notebook in your supplementary in exam. Okay, thank you very much.